Let me introduce you to the fljota network, the upcoming floating item network for a better universe. My name is Adam, and in the next few minutes I will guide you through my idea of your personal item inventory, which is shareable to a sharing network and contracted with sharing contracts. And now it's connected to the Hedera Token Service. So let's get started. Imagine a world and a society where you can provide and share all your personal assets and physical items to a sharing network that is accessible to everyone. So basically, nobody needs to buy anything. The fljota network is directly accessible via your preferred browser, and you keep track of all your personal belongings in your item inventory. If you like, you can tokenize every of your items directly via the Hedera Token Service and make this item ready for sharing and the resharing with others. So it doesn't matter if you have everyday physical assets or items or high value items like art or even your car. You can provide all the sharing information in a dedicated standard sharing contract and share it with the floating item network. So it's super easy and connected to the Hedera Token Service. The system is really open, so it doesn't matter if you're sharing peer-to-peer from device to device, or in a business case with business partners B2B, or in a customer to business to customer dimension. We have all the contracting possible. Sharing is based on trust, and Hedera Hashgraph is one of the best possibilities to get trust in this sharing contract. I've implemented the Hedera Token Service, and it's open for other implementations of other blockchain technologies, but you can also use it locally or in a classical database scenario. Let's jump into the first demo. In the first part, you will see the connection to the Hedera Token Service, how you can receive new and fresh Hedera account credentials via JSON Web Token, and a quick overview of the REST API. To give you a context, the user starts with a start screen. He connects to the network and some details, and then he has to choose which kind of setup he's using. So a local setup, a classic database, or the Hedera Token Service, or even other blockchain technologies in the future. Now let's start our service. The Node.js is working and we get our view of this application. So first of all, he has to provide, or we can provide, some credentials via JSON Web Token. This one is stored locally. If I refresh, I have the JSON Web Token credentials to access the Hedera system. And now I can get some account information. This one is this account. I can even see some tokens I already prepared, or I can create a fresh and new account. And after a second, here we go. In the log, you will see the JSON Web Token and also provided here in the demo. Everything is documented in a Swagger file, all the routes, and that was part one. Now let's jump from the backend to the front end. In the demo time part 2, we will see the local item inventory, how you can tokenize your items via the Hedera Token Service, and how you are ready to share. I prepared a front-end view, so now you can add some dummy items to your local app. You can delete them, and let's gives 6 items, and now we can connect to the Hedera network. So now the credentials are provided, and from this part you can start sharing and tokenizing your assets. To have it clear now, when another person connects, you can interact directly with the other person. So if I act or add another item, it is directly seen here in the first device, and even if I use multiple sharing partners, I can add a device here, and you will see that all the browsers are interconnected. 3 weeks in a hackathon are not enough to complete all the demos, but after that you jump into your sharing handshake, the fljota handshake, and you decide which kind of sharing contract you want to use, what options should be activated. So if the item would be reshareable, if it's protected, and how the value is, and how the risk will be handled, and then you can settle your sharing contract. Thank you for your attention. All the demos are available on fljota.network. The REST API and the connection to the Hedera Token Service is documented via REST API, which is also available and on GitHub. And thank you for your attention. My name is Adam. The project is named fljota Network, and I'm really looking forward to hear you guys at Hedera and see you soon. Bye.